Hey everyone, Tom here with MaxHousePrice, about to take you guys on a tour of a new project we're starting. I'm here in Gaithersburg, Maryland. I'm working with a local real estate agent with Avery Hess Realtors, where her and her clients, they took advantage of her win-win home selling system, where we come in, we make repairs with our own money, and we don't get paid until the house sells. So come on in, let's take a look. We're just going to be doing a little bit of painting out here on the porch. We're going to paint this front door and put a new light in, just to give a little bit of pop as you walk in. So this is a nice single family home, 2 levels with a basement. They already have hardwood floors that are fine, we're not going to be touching them, but you can see as soon as you walk in right away, we have some old paint colors and multi-paint scheme. So we're going to be painting everything from top to bottom, as you see us do quite often. Again, paint really just does a great job to a home to really just bring it some pop right away. And as we walk into this kitchen, we have a really nice open, nice sized kitchen. So we're going to be doing a little bit of work in here. The owners have done some work over the years, but the main thing we're going to be doing here, we're going to be painting these cabinets. We're going to paint them all white, so it's going to look really nice. I don't know if you can tell here, this microwave, it's a little large and it's kind of doesn't give you much room over the stove. So we're actually going to be removing these cabinets right here, and we're going to be moving this microwave up so that you have the proper clearance in here. We're going to be leaving the countertops. These are in good shape. Again, it's always about where can we get the best ROI for the seller versus coming in and saying, hey, let's replace everything. So with the price point, what we're trying to do, it's going to be just fine to leave these countertops. We are going to bring in a company to come in and clean the tile. Wait till you see this when it's done. All this grout's going to look brand new. It's going to get nice and cleaned up. And then we have a powder room right here off of the kitchen back here, and we're actually going to be redoing this bathroom. We're going to be putting in a new toilet, a new vanity, a new mirror, a new light, just to kind of bring this up a little bit. So we will be replacing that in this bathroom. And then as we come into your family room area, we have this nice fireplace and nice space. We're just going to be putting carpet in here, just to make it a little bit more of an inviting room. And again, with everything getting painted, we're doing the two-tone colors that you see us do a lot, where we're going to do gray walls, white ceiling, white trim. Let's go take a look in the basement, and you'll see the same thing coming down here. We have some carpet on these steps. You can see they've seen better days, so we're going to be replacing the carpet on the steps, putting in new carpet here. As you come in right down here, the owners had some water damage on here, so we're going to be replacing the boards here on the wall and getting that all repaired. And then again, everything's going to get painted, so we're going to get rid of, I think we got like 3 or 4 or 5, maybe even colors down here. So everything's going to be consistent to match. The doors are even going to get painted, so it's going to look really nice to have white doors instead of the brown doors. You even have a room all the way in the back here. Again, going to be completely painting this room. And we're going to be replacing some of these ceiling tiles that have some residue on them, some previous water spots, so we're going to take care of all of that. So let's run upstairs and take a look at the bedrooms upstairs. We have 4 bedrooms and 2 full baths upstairs. We're going to be doing a lot of the same stuff. Again, this house it's been lived in. They have family, kids, just the wear and tear over the years. It just needs a little bit of freshening up. So same thing here. This carpet's worn, so we're going to be replacing this carpet. But they've already got hardwood and laminate in the rest of the house, so we're going to be leaving those alone. We do have carpet in this pink bedroom in the back, so we will be putting in new carpet in here. And again, we're going to be painting the walls and the trim and the ceiling. This fan's in great shape, not doing anything with that. And then you have a couple more bedrooms upstairs. We got bedroom right through here. Again, just some paint. Doesn't need much, but having all gray instead of the pink and gray. And then in this nice master bedroom, again, they've done some work here, so it's just really kind of coming in and bringing some paint to just really dressing it up. Like you have some orange walls over here. This is all going to get painted gray. And then actually we have a hall bathroom where we're going to be doing a little bit of work. So we're actually, this is an older tub and tile. They have replaced the vanity, what we're going to do is we're going to bring in a company that's going to reglaze all of this tile, so it's going to look nice and white, nice and clean. We're going to replace this mirror as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video of this project that we're going to start working on. So if you have any questions about how you or your clients can take advantage of our win-win home selling system, feel free to send us a message or give us a call or text us at 703-215-2144. Thanks so much.